Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Bookmap to Broker. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and clear so you can get up and running with a reliable connection for market data and order routing. Start by opening the Bookmap application on your computer. Give it a moment to fully load. If this is your first launch after an update, you may see a brief initialization. That's normal. Make sure your internet connection is stable, and if prompted, sign into your Bookmap account so the app can access your licenses and modules. Once Bookmap is open, look to the top of the window and click on Connection. This menu is your hub for managing data and broker links. If your screen is small and you don't see it right away, try maximizing the window or checking the main menu bar. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to close any unnecessary applications that might interfere with networking and ensure any VPN or firewall is configured to allow Bookmap. From the Connection menu, choose Configuration. This opens the settings panel where all connections are managed. Here you can review existing links, adjust options, and prepare for new ones. Take a quick look at the layout so you know where to return if you ever need to edit or remove a connection later. Note that Bookmap can handle both market data providers and brokers. In many cases, your broker can serve as both. Next, click on Add Connection. A dialog will appear listing supported broker and data connections. This is where you begin the actual setup for your chosen provider. Keep your broker login details handy, but do not paste anything sensitive into places that don't request it. If you're unsure which option fits your account type, check your broker's documentation beforehand. Finally, follow the on-screen procedure until it finishes. The prompts may include selecting your broker, authorizing access, entering credentials securely, choosing between live or paper trading, and confirming market data permissions. Read each screen carefully and confirm any terms your broker presents. When the wizard completes, look for a status indicator that shows you're connected. If there's a toggle for auto connect on startup, enable it only if you want Bookmap to link automatically next time. To verify everything, load a symbol you're allowed to view and confirm that data updates smoothly. If you plan to trade through Bookmap, test with a small order or in a simulated environment first to ensure routing works as expected. If you encounter errors, double-check your credentials, time settings, and firewall rules, then retry the connection. That's it. You've connected Bookmap to your broker and are ready to explore the order flow with confidence.